Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Claude not working. So to start, go to your settings, scroll down and go to general. Now in here, what you need to do is to look for iPhone storage, tap on it, and in here, scroll down and look for Claude. If you can't find it, tap on show all. So scroll down until you see Claude. Now tap on that. So here you have two options, offload app and delete app. What we need to do is to click on offload app. Click on offload app once more to confirm the action. So as you can see, it changed into reinstall app. So let's click on that. And I'm just gonna have to wait for this to finish reinstalling. So this will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. So reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Now once done, close settings and reopen Claude, and that should fix your problem. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.